Alright everyone, what you saying? Welcome back today to another video. Today I'm going to try and recreate McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffin. Pretty much, they posted a few days ago, like Twitter, Facebook, all of that, showed how to pretty much make it. It's actually really simple. There's like 4 or 5 ingredients and that is literally it. So I'm going to try and make it today and I'm going to see how close I can actually get it to the actual McDonald's one. Yeah, I think it's going to be interesting and I really fancy one. So yeah, please guys, straight off the bat, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Obviously it's going to be difficult like making it exactly how it is without the 3 grams of salt they put in it. Salt, fat, sugar. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff straight off the bat. Follow me on Twitter down below. Let's just get started. Alright, so it's literally 4 things we need. So we got the actual muffins here, and then we need some eggs, literally 1 in each muffin. Then sausage meat, which looks actually disgusting, but you know, that's how they make it. This is how they make their little patty there. And, well, it says American cheese, but this cheese is gonna have to do. Like I said, their cheese is probably so fake and so processed, it's ridiculous, but. So yeah, start off with the sausage, because you actually have to put it in the grill. Got that ready here. Preheat that. Bing bong! Yeah. So it says season with a pinch, yeah right, McDonald's. Wow. A pinch of salt and pepper, and then shape into balls, flatten into patty shapes and cook under a preheated grill for 6-7 minutes on each side. Alright, sweet. I think I've got some scales, so I want to try and make it exactly the same. Exactly the same.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Roughly the same. This is actually, it's very disgusting on your hands. It's all like sticks to your hands. It'll thicken up after we obviously cook it. All right, let's try and get about 75 grams of this. Not 75 grams. Yeah, 75 grams. 42. Ooh, 61. 78, that'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
I'm gonna probably season it before I put it in. Oh, this is just grim. It's what you want to see on your screen, really, isn't it? Lovely, just lovely. I'm probably gonna make 2 McMuffins, because you know, still bulking, of course. All right, I'm gonna flatten that. Get some salt and pepper. Well, let's just do this first. 75 exactly. Lol. I'm gonna try and make them both exactly the same. I know for a fact the McDonald's ones are thinner. I know this is gonna rise a little bit, but oh well. I literally just finished that. Flip them over and season the other side. 6 to 7 minutes either side. Bing! Bong, 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 bong. Right, so they're going to take about 6-7 minutes each side. Just depends how much you want them cooked, to be honest. Yeah, but around that, give or take. And I'm going to flip them in like 6 minutes. But the eggs I'm going to start doing like a few minutes before the sausage is ready, just so it's all like hot. So the eggs, it says brush the inside of a metal ring with a little oil and place in a small frying pan. Pour in just enough water to cover the base, then bring to boil. Crack the eggs into the rings, cover the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, luckily I actually do have some metal rings. I bought them when I made burgers. Burgers are actually really nice. I made them by hand. They ended up being way too thick. So obviously they got bigger as they cooked, so that's a bit annoying. They expanded, so oh well. Gonna start the eggs now, because why not? This ring should be perfect. See here? So it's give or take the same size. So that'll do. A little bit of oil. And it said a little bit of water as well. That's probably too much oil. Sick. Honestly, it says use water, but I don't trust water. I just know, like with this pan, it's not like the best pan. So I just know it's like it'll probably stick. So I'm just gonna use oil. Yeah, that's how they get their eggs like so nice. Like they don't use oil. So like either side, like even if they flip it or whatever, like it's literally just white, pure white. But this is gonna have a bit of colour on it because of the oil. You just see how perfect. You just see how perfect the egg is in that. You know, like there's no way I'm gonna be able to make it look like that. But you know, exactly the same. Right, let's crack the egg in. Ah! Gonna do that over. Right, that's so loud. All right, sausages. Just gonna flip them. Try and flatten them a little bit. I should have spent more time in shaping them, really. Another 6-7 minutes. Sometimes I just get a sense that it's just not gonna work. Get off me! Ah! I didn't put oil around it, motherfucker. The shape is still good. Quite a nice shape. Oh man. You see what I mean about the colour as well? That's because of the oil, but you know. Next egg's looking a bit more promising. Alright guys, might as well just toast the muffins now, why not? Alright, so by the looks of it, eggs are done, sausages a few more minutes, just toasting the other muffin. But by the looks of the picture, it looks like they put the cheese on the bottom, then the sausage, then the egg. So with this really, really good quality Sainsbury's cheese, some weird kid I knew would eat these just like this. Absolutely grim. Cutting skills aren't the best, but as you can see, they're done. It's a bit annoying because obviously it rises a little bit, loses its shape, but oh well. Honestly, mate, it's just a make-do sausage and egg McMuffin, isn't it? It's really not that bad. I mean, they're cheap anyway at McDonald's, but right, let's go upstairs and eat these. I actually can't wait because I haven't eaten yet today. Well, I've had a banana. Alright guys, let's just eat, mate. I know the camera, but oh well, I'm just so hungry, I'm just gonna eat now. Alright, I'm just gonna tuck in, boys. Well, you know what? I'm so shocked. I'll try not to choke. I'm just chowing this down. You know what? Honestly, that tastes like nearly identical. I think sausage meat is a lot better than just sausage. The yolk as well is actually nearly like cooked all the way through. Bro, I swear to God, it's like I'm eating a sausage and egg muffin from Mackey's. Just a sausage. I don't know how they get it that thin, it's weird. Literally tastes like the McDonald's one, like. That's amazing. I think a thing that could change, obviously, is the cheese. I said to use American cheese. These are just Sainsbury's cheese slices, so. Oh man, it's actually so nice. You see how thick the sausage gets? It's still steaming as well. Oh man, it's actually literally identical, honestly. Just give it a go, guys. Even more calories. Just add some butter to it. Tastes even better.
I need air! I can't breathe!
I really thought that like McDonald's, I really thought that the McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffins were so good because they were so bad for you. I mean, it's just annoying the shape of these sausage, obviously, but it's a lot thicker. But more sausage, the better. And that's the best part of the McMuffin, I think. It's actually so good.
Ow.
I know what I'm going to be doing for breakfast from now on. It literally tastes like it. It's actually insane. That was highly enjoyable, guys. That was really nice.
Disgusting!
Mom just hoovered and I'm spitting everywhere. Alright guys, that was actually so nice. Please guys, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, please guys, let's try to get quite a few likes in this video. Share it on Twitter. I have Twitter, so follow me on there. Let me know if you guys want me to make anything. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.